In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file and run GST using Xero all in just 5 minutes. Filing your GST can seem daunting, but with Xero, the process is streamlined and straightforward, allowing you to manage your taxes with confidence. First, let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Open up your browser and head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, simply click on the Login button to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. After filling in these details, click on Login again to enter the Xero dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Accounting section. Click on Accounting, which you'll find near the top of the page. In this section, you'll see several options, but we're interested in Reports. Click on Reports to move forward. Once inside the Reports section, locate and click on GST Returns. This is where you can view and manage all your GST related information. Next, you'll need to select the period for which you want to run your GST return. This option allows you to specify the exact time frame, ensuring that your financial data is accurate and up to date. When you've selected the appropriate period, Xero provides you the flexibility to make any necessary edits to your GST return. Take your time to review the data, and if everything looks good to you, you can proceed to the next step. If you're satisfied with the information, it's time to finalize your return. Click on Finalize Return, and your GST return is now ready for filing. After finalizing, you will see an option to file with IR. Click on it, which will direct you to the official filing process with the Inland Revenue. At this stage, it's crucial to review all submitted details once more to ensure everything is recorded accurately. Once you're certain that everything is correct, confirm by clicking File with IR again when prompted. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your filing process. This includes submitting any additional information required and confirming your submission. The process with Xero is designed to be smooth, saving you time and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. And there you have it, you've just filed and run your GST on Xero in just a few simple steps. Remember, the key is ensuring all your data is correct and up to date, which makes the filing process much easier. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has helped simplify your GST filing process on Xero.